magic under Keely's light. Hook in hand, we're gonna start today. Hook in love will show the way.
In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to create this simple border. You can see we've got a slight sort of like wave on the edge, and when you look at it from the top, it gives this sort of little bit of a zigzag type effect, a bit like Rick Rack. This is a very simple and easy border to do, and it gives just a different look and a new sort of angle. So hopefully you enjoy it and you enjoy the tutorial, and if you do, please subscribe because I will have more tutorials coming. So take care. Let's have a look at how we make a single crochet zigzag border. And this is a really nice, easy, simple one with a slightly different look to it. So I hope you enjoy watching this and using the border. So I'm going to just slip stitch and chain into the stitch I'm going into, and I am making a single crochet. Following on from that, I'm going to chain one, and then I'm going to go straight into the next stitch and make another single crochet. And then I'm going to keep repeating that. So chain one, single crochet in the next stitch, chain one, single crochet in the next stitch, and complete that all the way along. So it couldn't be any simpler, and it's going to give, and this is another lovely clean modern looking edge. It's just a bit different. Get ourselves all the way along. Nearly forgot to do the chain then. I'll leave that there. So that's the edge. When you look at the top, hopefully you can see that it causes this sort of like ripple, zigzag, rick-rack type of effect. It gives you a quite a different look for what intrinsically is just a single crochet edge, but it also gives you this sort of slightly bumpy, wavy look on it. So if you have, I don't know, so you've done a grey square blanket and it's a little bit uneven, then this is going to help hide that unevenness, because this is slightly uneven, but not to the point that it looks unfinished. So I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial and that you enjoy making it. I would love to see your finished versions.